Today we are cooking a strip steak with broccoli and a loaded potato. Grab 2 steaks from the butcher. In my case, I got strip. You can use porterhouse, you can use T-bone, you can use a ribeye. This recipe works on all steaks. You're going to add your salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. At the very, very end, add around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Massage the seasonings in, and don't be afraid to get all your seasonings on the back and the front of the steak. 3 tablespoons of avocado oil that you're going to want to put at the very bottom of your cast iron skillet before you put your steaks in. 4 minutes for medium. I'm going to do 4 minutes on each side. Remove the steaks from the pan and let them rest for 10 minutes before serving. Set these aside. Let's go ahead and make some broccoli. Add 3/4 a cup of water, salt, onion powder, pepper to taste, and a little bit of butter. Here's how to cut a potato. When you take it out of the oven or microwave, however you decide to cook your potato, don't cut it directly down the middle. That's boring. Cut it zigzag, using your knife back and forth, left and right in a zigzag pattern. At the very end, squeeze both ends of the potato together so there's enough room to hold all of the toppings. Add the fresh broccoli to the plate with the potato on it. Then add your steak last with a little bit of au jus on the top.